I'm Jesse Endler. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking apart and seeing what's inside this. It's a vacuum cleaner. The brand, I'm not sure exactly what it is, but you can see there, like Auric, XL Auric, I'm not sure. But first I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. Let's see. So here you can see I have it plugged in right there. It has this little switch on the top, which right now it's on the 0. I assume that's level 1 and level 2. So I'll just turn it on level 1. Okay, so that definitely works, sucking in stuff. That's great, so that means the little motor in there, suction, is working. So we can go ahead and take it apart, see what's inside. The video off for a while, but I finally got the cover off of there that I was trying to get off, this part, with these, and just forced it apart. So now you can see this is what the motor spins, and I've taken off all the plugs that go to the lights on the front, because there were little lights on the front, you may have seen. And so now I just have these two wires hooked up, and they are all hooked up to the wall, so if I turn it on, it should turn the motor on. Let's see. You can see that in the time lapse, but basically what I did is I took off the handle, and I actually found that the motor connected to the top of the thing with a plug. Where'd the plug go? Well, here's one side of the plug, if you can see that. It doesn't seem like my phone is focusing. Oh, here's the other side, right there, which is cool. And I'm thinking I could use this as a controller for it, because it's kind of ergonomic for the hand. And I just need to repair that little part of wire with some electrical tape, and get this back together. So I've had the camera off for a while, but basically what I've done is I took out the wire, I soldered it back together, and I ended up actually using this piece here, and the switch for using it. So this end goes to the wall, that end goes to the motor, and then I can switch between off, medium, and high. So you can see here, I'll turn it on. And that was medium, so it's really strong. And oh, also, I put it on this block of wood just by these two nails, and that way the torque of it doesn't make it twist all around. So that makes it so I can actually easily test it. And I'm getting blown a ton. I'm not exactly sure which way the fan blows the air. It looks like it obviously blows it around, and then I'm not sure if it goes forward or backward, but I'll have to test that out. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, look at one of these videos up there, down there, and then make sure to subscribe right there.